beautiful morning, but it's windy. You can tell it's windy. I hope water won't drop and won't get stuck there. That'll be interesting. Oh no, don't tell me it's shallow there. Please don't tell me that. Oh my God. What are we gonna do? Oh my God. It's so skinny here. It's crazy. Oh no. Yeah, I don't think we can go farther. And it's... Gotta go back. The water is skinny. Too skinny for us. Unless somehow we can go in there. Muddy. Well, we can possibly save the trip because this part for sure deeper. It is beautiful here. Question is, should I go back and get my wheels or should I just drag my kayak here? The wheels will definitely help. It'll be much easier. Let's just go get wheels. Someone already did that, so that gives me hope. I'm assuming that's that metal canoe over there. That's what they did here. It could be done. All right, not too bad. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay. First thing I would do is just take the pedal drive off. It's heavy. I'll take all the rods out. Attached straps. Well, we are in it, and that's what we're dealing with right now. Oh yeah, baby. Let's see. We are moving. That's what we do. The only thing I didn't think about is how I'm gonna pull it out back. Let's do it first, and then we'll think. Okay. Don't tip over. Now, all I have to do is to catch some big fish. Here we go. First sub is a little deeper crankbait. Fish. That's a fish, right? Has to be. Has to be fish. Okay, so. And that's a good eater. I mean, not a slab by any means, but okay. So, to be expected, there's a bunch of crappies here, right? That's a fish? Oh. Came off. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. That was fishy. There's so many things going on in this little creek. So many things going on. Fish. Bass. Feels like bass. Oh, it is bass. Oh, it's a giant. Oh, it's a giant. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. Look at this guy. Let's see. Man, it's not a bad one. It's not a bad one for sure. What do you weigh, buddy? 0 through 1. I mean, it's definitely a good freaking. Why is his tail is all black? And his has the black lipstick. Definitely, buddy. Thank you for biting. Yeah, that's what we need right now. That's for sure. That's what we need. And a freaking wind. That's all we need. I don't understand why this reel is like acting up so weird. That's a fish. Ah, come on. That was a fish. That's a fish. That's a good one. What? What? What's happening here? That's definitely crappie PB. Yo, look at this freaking giant. Did you see that? Yo, look
at this freaking giant. Uh-oh. Freaking snakes. Oh, that's a good one. Or should I say better one. The biggest fish I caught on a top spin so far. You know, just, you know.